a drain and respirate.
Oh, a nice cup of tea. I've been transported back to the 1940s. So, where am I?
She's already got one in, but she can have that as the next one. Do you understand?
She's paying for 3.
Yes.
So, you know.
You've still got one in, but it's one you bought yourself.
Yeah.
Oh, well, at least we know Dora and Ollie are alright. We were, weren't we, the other day? Bless them, they hadn't been, yeah. Right. Sandy! Oh, are you alright? You got a tickle?
I haven't had one of them for a long while.
You haven't? Oh, yes. Oh, my darling. Right. Coffee, Sandy. Teaspoon.
Wow, this place is like a working museum. Look at this lot.
Yeah.
The door went and she bought my Ruth had bought the peppers and everything. Flick the dust around, flick the hoover around.
I have a saying on my wall.
Well, I've gone down to 1 there.
Well, better than nothing.
It is.
Have you eaten and drunk?
I've been drunk, I haven't eaten. Thank you very much. I'm 60. Thank you, my darling, very much. Fine, I'm yours. He's coming in 1 second, my darling.
So, how did you get into running this emporium?
Oh, my little tea room. Well, I worked for somebody else before, and I enjoyed it so much.
What, in a tea room?
Yeah, in another tea room.
Yeah.
And I didn't want to go back to a normal job.
What was your normal job? Don't mind me
Well,
asking.
normal job, carer, cleaner.
Oh right, okay.
Oh yeah. So just normal jobs.
Yeah.
But I spotted this little job before, and it was for literally a few hours.
Yeah.
And I thought, you know, I'm going to go for it.
Yeah.
And I loved it so much. And unfortunately, she did close. And I was devastated. Absolutely devastated.
Were you there a while then?
Only a year.
Okay.
So it seemed like longer because I enjoyed it so much. And I decided, and with help from my partner and my dad, I decided to open this little tea room. So yeah, I've been here 6 years. It seems a lot longer, in a good way, in a very good way. But yes.
So what happened when we was all locked down in COVID?
Oh well. Hello.
I'll let you serve this customer.
Are you washing up as usual?
Story of my life.
It is, honestly.
So how long have you been here? Is it
just over 6 years.
Let's see, what's your first name?
Karen.
Karen.
Yeah, just over 6 years.
And what do you like about it?
Oh, everything. It's not a job. It's lovely. All the customers, my regulars, absolutely, it's just lovely.
More a way of life.
Oh, definitely, yes, yeah. Clothes, fashion, everything. It's lovely. Oh yes, you did.
I was going to save it for 2.
Yeah.
But I didn't.
Good for you.
I eat it and you know, and
Darling, I'll just get you another teaspoon.
Sorry.
Oh, don't you apologise.
Well, I don't like making a mess.
and green peppers, peas,
Sounds lovely.
little.
And to keep its authenticity, it's cash only, of course. No credit cards in the 40s.
You have a nice pot of tea. Lovely, thank you very much. Thanks, ladies.
So I detect a non-Hucknall accent.
You do.
So where are you
Can you
originally
guess
from?
where from?
Well, I know because you told me, but I know it was
From Hull
Hull.
originally.
Hull.
Yes. Well, I lived in Brough, a little village outside, so that's probably why I'm not fully full Hull accent. But yeah,
yeah, I've been to Hull a few times.
Yeah.
To the pubs, the Land of Green Ginger.
Oh
the
yes,
old
no,
town.
that yes, very well.
Yeah.
Yeah, very well. Yes, in my younger years, not so much now, but in my younger years, yeah. All the lovely pubs, yeah.
So do you always sort of dress
Always.
in this sort of, obviously when you're here?
Yeah.
Is that your...
24/7.
Oh,
Yeah.
right,
Oh
okay.
yeah, even at home. Yeah. Or when I go shopping or anything.
So were you into that before you worked in that original calf?
Yes, yeah. I've been into it for only about 15 years, so not that long for a lot of people. It took me a while to get into what I actually love.
Yeah.
But yeah, so it's.
So what got you into the 1940s? Ish.
Ish. Ish. Just kind of started seeing hairstyles and fashions and I loved it. And sometimes it takes you a few years, doesn't it, to get into what you actually love.
Yeah.
But yeah, so and this is just me now.
Anyway, carry on.
Yeah, I'm sorry, my darling. Got a group of lovely ladies in. Ladies, are you all right? Yes. Oh, what outside?
They did say it would.
I mean, it is meant to be breezy, isn't it? I think it's definitely got a bit breezy. And it nearly blew my wig off walking up here this morning. Cheese toasty. Oh, fish.
So Karen, you're in Hucknall.
Yes.
Just off the beaten track.
I
But how
am.
do people find you?
Usually word of mouth, which is brilliant. Yes, a lot of word of mouth. A lot of my regulars obviously talk to other people, which is lovely. I think you can't ask for any better advertisement than that.
That's right.
Yeah, absolutely lovely. We do advertise, but I still say word of mouth is the best thing.
It is. Well, it's recommendation, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
And you're not that far from the tram.
No, darling, I think it's 5-10 minutes, depending how quick you are.
Yeah, so people want to visit from Nottingham.
Yeah.
Jump on the tram and go to the end of the line.
Well, I'm not being funny. You can't. You can get the tram, you can get the bus,
oh, of
you can get the train as well.
Yes,
so
you can. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Yeah. So as
and of course Shanks's pony. If you don't mind walking a few miles.
Well, yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's very true. But yes, we are quite for transport. Quite good, really. Yeah, quite good. So, but yeah, most of it is word of mouth. Yeah. Which it's lovely.
So what is this you're cooking up now?
Doing an egg mayonnaise.
Oh, right, okay. Oh, a proper mayonnaise.
Oh, of course. Yeah. I won't advertise, but with with good mayo.
Yeah.
You've got to have proper mayo.
You have.
Yeah, I like to do everything. Nothing's prepared.
No. Well, it's nice and fresh.
Yeah, you've got to do fresh. Yeah. Oh, good choices. My darling.
Nice cup of tea. It's hard to believe that this place was.
Caramel brownie.
It just looked like a
coffee pudding or coffee
standard
and
empty shop unit.
Coffee and walnuts.
Before it was transformed into this. Really does feel like you're in a 1940s parlour in a terraced house.
No, just have brown or white.
They're very good at it, actually, Molly.
And then another day, she bought me some. I told you that weekend too. And the chicken was cold, totally different. I'm thinking we say, chicken.
Really, no, not when they get.
Oh, you said from falling, didn't you, Molly? Yeah.
Yeah, 14.
All right. Yeah.
She's
I always said I would pay for her writing as long as she was interested.
I say we've got some cotton clouds.
Right, let's go and have a look at this this bathroom. Wow, look at this. How's this for authenticity? Ah, Byron. Lord Byron is buried in, I think he's buried in Hucknall. He grew up or was associated with Newstead Abbey in Nottinghamshire, which is just up the road from here.
Ken for weather-wise for Louis. Bless him.
So what goes into a good mayonnaise then,
Oh!
Mrs. C?
Good eggs and good mayo.
Good eggs and
Gotta
good-
be Hellman's, I'm sorry, but it does. It's gotta be. Definitely. Yes. Yeah, you've got to. Oh. They're messy little things, but they're lovely.
Very tasty.
Oh, very. Oh, darling, that's that. Oh, yeah. Got to be. Yeah. Fizzy. Orange, cherry, lemonade, or lemonade?
Mrs. C's Vintage Tea Rooms, just off the main high street in Hucknall. It's getting windy now. If you're passing by, or if you want to visit, it's easy to find. Give it a try.